All right, I know it doesn't look much different to a lot of you, but a lot has been done here. I'm going to start with the back. I have completed the brake line installation. These are Goodrich brake lines. I have also rebuilt the rear master cylinder, so that is done and ready to go. I've actually just installed this seat. This is one of the seats that came with the bike. It's a brand new seat and it's low rise, looks pretty cool on the bike. Today I installed and wired turn signals front and back. Up front here I have rebuilt the master cylinder, and again I've completed the brake line installation. Pop this off. You can see I've added all of the washers where they should be there. And again, these are the Goodrich lines. I haven't ever used these before. They install a little bit different than the Spiegler lines, but they should work fine. I pumped up my front tire and it immediately went flat again, so I think it has become unseated from the bead. I'm gonna pull the wheel off. I'll take that over to the shop and have somebody reseat the tire. But I've just been cleaning up a lot of stuff, rewiring a lot of stuff. Turn signals are wired in, headlights wired in, and I put together a set of instruments for the bike. And I do have some dress-up parts. I have some chrome covers here. I just need 2 small screws to go through the place that holds there. I'll probably just replace these covers. They've got a couple of dings in them. Not bad, but we'll get those replaced. But she's coming along. I also have my levers installed. I've got my clutch lever, new clutch lever, and the new brake lever. I've got a set of new grips that I'll put on. And again, I'm going to be cleaning this bike. I found a nicer condition gas cap in the part, so I'll put that on. I'll do some more touch up on this paint for now. We'll just get it running and on the road and see how things do. But she's coming along. I definitely do plan to repaint it at some point in the future, but for right now I want a solid daily driver, and I think we're headed in the right direction. The carburetors have been cleaned and everything looks good there. I got the new float needles installed, so they're all put back together. The motor has been bench run and runs good, sounds good, so I'm getting ready to install it on the bike. I've been cleaning it up and trying to polish it a little bit more. Still has some, you know, oxidation from years and years of use. It's got a new stud in here. It seems to be holding well, so that's good news. And I'll probably go ahead and finish polishing these cases out. Try to polish these up a little bit more as well, and just get it looking nice. All right, this is after multiple hours of cleaning, and I have started buffing the aluminum here. Looks a lot better. It's not perfect yet. I've got a new cover coming here. I'm getting close to putting it in the bike. Again, I've just started polishing this, so this is not finished, but it just looks 100% better than what it did. I will continue to work on this engine and polish these guys, polish this out, work on all of my bolt heads, making sure everything looks good. I've actually got a new cover here to go on this side, and again, it's going to be a work in progress for a little while on this beast. Getting it ready to go, getting it cleaned up cosmetically. I'm excited to get it in the bike in a couple of days here. I've been sorting parts quite frequently here and quite exhaustively, but I think we've got all the parts we need to complete this one. All right, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.